Hi, my name is Jose Junior Balano. My student ID number is N41370844. Welcome to the presentation, the introduction. This presentation will focus on the analysis of personal, professional, and employability skills that underpin academic and career success. While discussing these skills, we seek to learn important information about their evolution, importance, and how they influence our paths as students and professionals. This knowledge improves our grades and provides us with the skills needed for a prosperous and satisfying career in health and social care. Let us begin this reflective quest to discover the depths and value of abilities. Employability skills overview. Employability skills, sometimes referred to as transferable or foundation skills, refer to a range of skills that are essential for almost every workplace settings. These skills transcend job descriptions, playing a vital role in enhancing performance, reducing mistakes, and promoting teamwork. Through developing employability skills, people can manage the professional environment more efficiently, becoming more appealing to employers in the field of health and social care. As we dive into these skills, we will untangle their deep influence on our academic and professional lives in health and social care. Progress overview. A critical analysis of personal development in employability skills reveals remarkable progress. Using reflective practices, I have concentrated on developing skills important for professional development. Communication, teamwork, and self-management have been crucial areas of focus. Improving communication leads to enhancement in communication, while teamwork promotes dynamic synergy. Self-management enables me to overcome challenges on my own. This development shows the commitment to the holistic development of skills is in line with the needs of both the academic and professional fields such as health and social care. Communication skills. Communication skills include clear expression and active listening. It entails articulating thoughts clearly and appreciating the views of others. The development of communication is reflected in different scenarios, including academic presentations and joint group work. These instances have given opportunities to perfect the articulation and the perception of various perspectives. With sustained efforts, there is an observable enhancement in clarity and articulation. Such as journey in refining communication skills not only improves academic engagement but also provide a strong basis for professional interactions between health and social care. Teamwork skills. Teamwork skills are collaborative and supportive work while working with a group, which focuses on contributing positively to shared goals. Group assignments and collective extracurricular activities are some of the opportunities to acquire teamwork skills. The development is clear in the improved ability to work well in multicultural group, demonstrating flexibility, teamwork, and a willingness to share in success. Self-management skills. Self-management skills are important for effective task management and prioritization, demonstrating a high level of personal accountability. These skills enable people to control their workload and perform at their best. Self-management mastery encompasses effective time management, meeting deadlines, and smart project planning that yields maximum output. Significant progress has been made in improving efficiency and task planning, promoting a more organized and structured way of dealing with academic and professional duties. Reflection on values and behaviors. Empathy and understanding have been crucial throughout this journey, especially in the healthcare setting where compassion is essential. Actions and decisions are influenced by the realization of compassion as an integral part of healthcare and educational settings, thus leading to a more comprehensive approach to professional development. Ethical and moral principles guide the practice of healthcare, influencing patients' care and outcomes. Maintaining uprightness and ethical behavior has not only strengthened individual character but has also benefited the relationship in the academic and healthcare environments. Professionalism have been a priority in the academic and healthcare setting. Maintaining respect, politeness, and cooperation has created favorable conditions for learning and positive interactions with peers, teachers, and most importantly, patients. Challenge faced. The path to cultivating employability skills has not been smooth. Every challenge also offered a chance for growth and learning, from surmounting communication barriers to mastering the intricacies of teamwork. These challenges are not failures, have been great lessons. Breaking through communication barriers promoted adaptability, and overcoming teamwork challenge allowed gaining knowledge regarding proper collaboration. Every challenge became a stepping stone that contributed greatly to the overall development of employability skills. Future development. The path of skill development is infinite, and the future has a plan for continual progress. This implies a pledge to regular self-reflection, solicitation of feedback, and taking advantage of available opportunities to develop employability skills. Incorporating workshops, seminars, and further coursework will be essential. Engagement in various projects, both academics and extracurricular, will provide an opportunity to practice and perfect these skills continuously. Conclusion. In conclusion, this presentation is essentially a critical analysis of personal, professional, and employability skills. We explored the definitions and significance of employability skills, highlighting the progress made in communication, teamwork, self-management skills, and so on. The key takeaway is the importance of continuous reflection in skills development. It is through self-awareness, active participation, and a commitment to improvement that one can very much navigate the evolving landscape of personal, professional, and employability skills. That's all. Thank you.